Wow, 1972 graduate. Engineering, no?
Mechanical
engineering. Ba't naman Mapua yung napili niyo yung college, Dad? And bakit mechanical engineering?
Why Mapua? Siguro, number one, Mapua is known when it comes to architecture at saka engineering. Ano yan excellent. Basta sinabing Mapua, kilala ka agad yan. Second is yung, alam ko pagka-graduate ka ng Mapua, madali makakuha ng trabaho. So actually, ang proof niya nung gumraduate ako ng 1972, madali mag-apply at the time. Pagka nag-apply ka, parang first round lang, kuha ka na eh. So, yun yung mga naging driving force sa akin na why I choose Mapua. Well-known when it comes to engineering and architecture. And second, yung assurance mo na madali ka makahanap ng trabaho.
Listen up, yo.